Hello and welcome. This is Caravan Salon, and I'm going to show you today a vehicle, but I'm taking you through a walk to start off with, so you can have a brief glimpse of what it's like when there's no one around. And so anyway, look, we'll have a look at one or two things I wouldn't normally show, such as these drop caravans, the French torch. What's this look like inside? You've got a couple of glasses out there, and alright, so the sofa becomes a bed. Right, okay, there's that. Storage here. I've got the pull-out bit at the back. Miss drop, the original. There's another drop camp. Lots of caravans here as well, and you know what, over the last few days I filmed 50% of the vehicles in this hall, and the ones I haven't filmed, I've done them in the past. Mind you, there's Wade, look at that, that's a interesting looking thing. 5k caravan. Which company that's from? Estonia, I think. I can't remember. Right, and there's EuraMobil. Now, when I can get into a vehicle, I can actually show it to you from inside. Here, this is the top of the range EuraMobil, top of the range in the Trigano group, the i890, which can come with tag axle or not. Got a queen bed inside, or it's got one with German layout inside. You're looking at around 200,000 for these, either of these two here. Oh no, so it's i760. This one here is the new vehicle from Trigano. I think it's meant to compete with a Hymer models, because it does look rather Hymer-ish inside. The Extora, I'll give you a link to that if you're interested. And there's the i890. That is the German layout version of the top of the range from Trigano, EuraMobil. And right, I like these. This is called Activa One with the overcab. I particularly like the rear lounge one. I think it's really cute. And here we have Ahorn, and I asked a question yesterday. The question's always been, how come Ahorn and Renault, which are built in the same factory, probably by the same people, Ahorn's relatively well built and Renault is a total disaster? Well, Renault, you see the Renault sort of beyond Chausson down there. And the answer was, well, they are built in the same factory, but not by the same people. It's on different lines. And the reason why Renault often is not very good is because it's not professional labour from building motorhomes which are actually doing most of the work. It's people that just brought in as are needed. Anyway, plan here is to show you Chausson, and what we can do is I'm going to show you this one here. It says they're from 47,000 euros, or 46,990, but it's not going to cost that. It's going to cost more. So we'll have a look at how much it costs, and then we'll have a look inside it. So there you have your price. So it's under 50,000 euros. There are not many vehicles here under 50,000. The fact, actually, this is probably likely to be the best quality one under 50,000, I think. So 6 meter long camper van. It is, of course, at that price going to be a no thrills edition. And so we've got 2 seats here. We've got a table which will expand to be even bigger. We've got the fridge down here, which opens both ways. We have got 2 burners here. We've got the sink, and we've got a wardrobe down here, which I can open. I'd like to say it's because of the low price, there's no light in there, but there's plenty of more expensive vehicles with no lights in there as well. So it's reasonably well done. And in here you'll find the washroom, the forward-facing bench it's a bit contoured there as well. I mean, lots of people say they're not comfortable because I sit in an unusual shape. I sit with my legs crossed, so to me it doesn't bother me in the slightest. Storage up here and storage up there. Let's go to the back and have a look at that. So this is utterly a no frills, but it does the job. And so we've got 2 gas burners, 2 gas cylinders in here. Sorry, first thing in the morning I'm already making mistakes. 2 gas cylinders in there with a drain here. And although the drains, all of them got drains these days, that must have been a legal requirement in Germany. And looking down here, you can see you've got a net down there designed to hold stuff in. You've got lashing straps on the floor. This will all come up. There you go. All comes up. So you can put it to one side, or what if you want, or you can put it over there and you can sit on there, or whatever. If you're carrying stuff down here, you can get several bikes in there. Might be a bit uncomfortable when you want to sleep with them in, but you can travel around with them in. And so I would say this is a vehicle which does the job. And surely that is what we're looking for, a vehicle that does the job. So of all the vehicles here, I would say that this one here, the V594 from Chausson, is just about the cheapest you're going to find anywhere. Now, you can find others at a similar price, but you're not going to find them, I think, as well built as this one is. I think. I might have got it wrong. I haven't seen absolutely everything, but I have spent a lot of time at this event. I'm first one in, last one out. So anyway, let's have a look at. I was also giving some extra stuff from there. So you've got your basic stuff. And then you've got these additional packets which can be obtained. And so in all cases, I'm going to point this one here out, actually here. That's what you've got to add for delivery. But that's included in the 50,000 that I mentioned. Now, you're getting the equipment pack, which includes things which are pretty obvious in my opinion, such as the awning, the solar panels, the mosquito screen, the darkening blinds and things like that. And you're also getting the Connect pack with the Bluetooth radio touch screen, and so that's included. One thing we'll see now, there's always offers on, but there's more offers on here than I've ever seen before. And to be quite honest, I think many of these, they're giving offers which are very interesting. So there's been a slight change in the market. There's now a worry because one of the major manufacturers, Knaus Tabbert, has problems, and it could even end up dumping huge amounts of stock on the market. So people are a bit worried about that, particularly at the lower end, the campervan end. And so I think there's a bit of preparation because of that. Anyway, that is the cheapest vehicle for the moment. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. And if there's anything here, because I've shown you a lot of vehicles very quickly, but I've shown them, then you can ask, and I'll see if I can do them again in the future, because this event will be over by the time it gets published. But write and ask. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.